this week we are learning subtraction. We learned that subtraction is the opposite of addition. If addition is putting two numbers together to make a bigger number, subtraction just means that we're finding the difference between the two numbers. We're starting with a number and we're taking away or decreasing from it. This week we have learned different strategies that we can use to solve subtraction problems. And today you're going to learn a new strategy. Are you ready? Today you are learning how to use a number bond to solve subtraction problems. Can you say that word with me? Those two words? Number bond. One more time. Number bond. Have you ever seen these before? Maybe heard of them? Well, number bonds will help us solve subtraction problems. I like to think of a number bond as a machine. You can see it has three circles. 1, 2, 3. 1 at the top and 2 are connected at the bottom beneath it. When you subtract, you start with the biggest number. Our biggest number when we're subtracting is always going to be at the top, and this is called our whole. It's the amount we're starting with before we take away from it. Then you start with your whole and you take away from it, okay? You take away a part of this number, your whole. So this part down here was taken away. And then after you've taken part of your whole away, it gives you another part or the answer to your subtraction problem, what you end up with. You start with a whole and you get part. Start with a whole, part. Can you do that with me? This hand motion, it helps me remember the number bond system. Ready? Whole, make a circle, and then right beneath it, you're gonna make two fists, part. Do it one more time, ready? Whole, part. Start with my biggest number, I take away, and it gives me two parts that are smaller, okay? I was looking around the room and I made my own number bond because I wanted to be creative. So I made my own number bond out of a coffee filter, 2 pencils, and 2 paper plates. I'm going to show you how to use a number bond to solve subtraction problems today. We're going to solve this problem first. Ready? Three minus blank equals 2. There were 3 birds flying in the air. There were 3 birds flying in the air. My top part is always my biggest number, and I know 3 is my biggest number in this problem. So I have 3 birds. Then some of my birds flew away. Now I only have 2 birds flying in the air. Okay? I started with 3 birds. I took a part away, but I don't know how many. It just says some. And now I only have 2 birds left flying in the air. I'm going to use my number bond to help me figure out what my missing number is. I see my starting number is 3. I'm going to start with 3 and I'm going to count back until I get to 2. Each number I count back, I'm going to hold up a finger. And when I get to 2, however many fingers I'm holding up, tells me my missing number. Watch this. Ready? 3, 2. 1 is my missing number. I start with my whole, 3. I take part away, 1, and now I have 2 left, part. Whole, part. We're going to do another one together. I want you to help me with it this time though. We use number bonds to help us solve subtraction problems. Okay, all right, our next problem is this. 9 minus blank equals 6. 9 minus blank equals 6. There were 9 turtles taking a nap. Are you picturing 9 turtles taking a nap right now? 9 turtles taking a nap. Some of them woke up. Now only 6 turtles are taking a nap. Okay, so which number is bigger? I know that my number in my whole has to be the biggest number in the problem. So I see 9 and 6. Which number needs to go in my top circle? That's right. 9 needs to go in my top circle because it's the biggest number. That's the number I'm starting with. 9 turtles are taking a nap. So I'm going to put 9 turtles, or 9 counters. Okay, there's 9. Some of them wake up. Did it give us a number? Can I put an amount in this first part? It's the amount that I'm taking away. Can I put a number, or did it say some? Some turtles woke up. It didn't give me a number, so I can't put anything here yet. That's my mystery number. Now only 6 turtles are asleep. I need to put 6 in my last part. Will you point to the circle that I need to put 6 counters in? That's right, I need to put them in this one. I start with 9, I take some away, don't know how many yet, and I end up with 6. Now we need to start at 9 and count back until we get to 6. Will you do it with me? Ready? 9, 8, 7, 6. How many fingers are you holding up? 3. So what's our missing number? 3. Great job. 1, 2, 3. I started with 9 turtles. I took 3 away, or 3 woke up, and now 6 are left sleeping. Today, we learned how to use a number bond to help us solve change unknown subtraction problems. When we subtract with a number bond, we start with a whole, and it goes through the machine, and it gives us part, 2 smaller numbers. Do it with me, ready? Part, or whole, part. Today, you are going to be practicing on your own. You're going to be finding materials around your house to make your own number bond, just like I did. And you're going to use your number bond to solve a subtraction problem. Watch the next video for your activity instructions. Have fun!